Hey everybody, Alex here with another edition of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be getting into the chart of AAPL Apple, but before we do that, jump down below, do me a favor. The only way to ensure you don't miss a single update of Apple, broad markets, everything like that over the next couple of days and couple of weeks is to go down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. You won't miss a single update. Thanks for doing that, guys. Let's jump in here to the chart of Apple. So to me, guys, the development over the last last couple weeks, including especially the last few days of trading, everything to me here on Apple right now, guys, everything looking extremely bullish. To me, this is almost looking like a hyper bullish sort of ascending triangle pattern, and the only thing that's going to worry me here, even just in the very shortest term, is a break below this trend line on the 1 hour time frame. What it looks to me like pretty clearly is happening here is we're just getting this nice little series of higher highs and higher lows and just set for a breakout over these levels at 150, which we've been targeting here back since around July 15th, about 2 weeks and change ago. So we've been looking to break this area for a while now. We got this really nice pattern that's developed here in Apple, and I'm looking for this to continue. Certainly possible over the next, let's see exactly what the time frame we're talking about here, August 4th, so August 17th. Yeah, you know, next week and a half, 2 weeks of trading, something like that. It certainly could be in the cards to get a lot of choppiness in between this triangle here, but I think it's looking here to me like we are poised for a breakout to the upside. And the reason I'm saying that, you can see our dynamic trend line is broken out to the upside. We are everything is looking good here with the you can see our dynamic trend line operating over the 250 EMA, broken out to the upside, and also on a 20-minute time frame. Quite clearly here, everything just in an extremely bullish stance. 1 hour, 20-minute, and also the 10-minute. It still looks fantastic. You can see the alignment here of our dynamic trend line still looks good here. So we got our 3 key time frames still pushing to the upside. Just Apple here just exuding nothing but bullishness to me here, guys, at this point. There's definitely no reason to short Apple, and having said that, I see no reason right now to be short or extremely worried in these markets. Again, we've got this nice line of support here on the 1 hour. If there was a chance of this thing coming down here and breaching this, starting to put some 1 hour candles here and breaking lower, that would be a cause for concern. No question about that, but as of right now, guys, that just is not happening, and I am not seeing anything even slightly resembling that in the near term. So my outlook for Apple looks to be hyper bullish, okay, not just bullish, but hyper bullish, especially when we break these levels at 150. So that's what I'm looking at on Apple. You can see here our momentum chart on the daily time frame. We are still operating nicely in these extremely bullish zones up here around 22 to 24. We are nowhere even remotely close to dipping below the 0 line, which is down here. We're still in these very bullish zones on the momentum. That's the daily, and I'll show you the 3 hour. The 3 hour momentum appears that we are just now starting to tick back to the upside here, potentially breaking this line of downward overhead resistance. And that, guys, is very likely to me to coincide with a break to the upside of this ascending triangle pattern. So that could be the rocket fuel Apple needs to take off to much higher levels in the short term. Again, time frame we're looking at here, potential chop over the next week and a half, 2 weeks, but it looks to me sometime mid to late-ish August, we could be set here definitely for that breakout in Apple. But guys, this pattern could definitely break to the upside sooner than that. So you are going to want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. hit the bell notification, hit the subscribe button, so that way you do not miss a single update moving forward over the next couple weeks on Apple. Make sure to update this chart on a regular basis, let you know what I'm seeing, let you know if there's any danger signs ahead, and most importantly, let you know when I am seeing a breakout of this ascending triangle to the upside, so we can look for much higher prices ahead in a couple weeks most likely. But subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Looking forward to the next update. I'll see everybody here on the next update, and bye for now.